Do you believe that just one single garlic bulb, if placed in the right position and used correctly, can act as a powerful good luck charm that draws in wealth, helps money flow in rapidly, and brings such smooth success at work that even you will be shocked? Ed, the ancients used to say, garlic placed in the right spot brings in money like water and drives away evil energy. This is not some blind superstition. It is a traditional funny ritual that has been passed down for hundreds of years. Many people still quietly practice it to attract prosperity, ward off bad luck, and protect the harmony of their home. In today's video, I am going to reveal to you a very special ritual, one that is carried out over 7 days using something incredibly familiar, garlic bulb. If you have been feeling like your finances are slipping through your fingers, your job feels unstable, your life feels heavy, or your family is constantly in conflict, this might be a message from the universe telling you that it is time to clear out the negative energy around you so you can reopen the flow of wealth energy. Before we begin, drop a comment below with a positive affirmation related to why people believe in money rituals, today's topic. For example, I am ready to change my destiny, or I am a magnet for wealth, or anything you want to attract into your life. And do not forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss out on any practical tips from ancient Fu and spiritual wisdom. Let us build a community that truly understands, lives with intention, and attracts goodness into our lives. So what makes a small garlic bulb be considered a sacred talisman for thousands of years? What secret lies within it that has made so many generations trust and treasure it? Like a spiritual gem from Asia to Europe, from the ancient Egyptian civilization to the quiet villages of Southeast Asia, there is one belief that people everywhere seem to share: garlic can repel negative energies, evil spirits, and bad vibes. It is not because garlic is magical, but because it carries a very strong yang energy. According to FNU beliefs, anything with a pungent, spicy, and strong smell has the ability to cleanse a space and drive away the yin energy that clings to it. In folk traditions, whenever someone felt physically heavy, emotionally drained, or inexplicably anxious, the elders would burn garlic, crush it, or carry a small pouch with garlic cloves as a way to shield their energy. Strangely enough, people often reported feeling lighter, less worried, and even slept better afterward. In many places, when children cry uncontrollably at night, adults tie garlic around their wrist or place a bulb near their pillow. It is not just to ward off mosquitoes. It is also to protect their spiritual essence and keep negative energies at bay. In ancient Egypt, people believed that garlic helped the soul transition safely to the afterlife. In China and Vietnam, garlic is often used in rituals such as housewarming ceremonies, bad luck, cleansing, and spiritual protection, not just for people, but for the home itself. Even today, many people, whether they believe in ghosts or not, still carry garlic when they visit secluded places, graveyards, or when they are moving to a new house. The reason is simple: better safe than sorry. A garlic bee may be small, but it holds a 1,000-year legacy as a guardian spirit in this chaotic life. And if you know how to use what the Bible says about superstition it properly, it can become your invisible companion, guiding wealth, luck, and peace right into your home. But garlic only unleashes its power when placed in the right spot. So where exactly should you place it to create an energy hot spot that turns this humble garlic bulb into a real magnet for wealth and peace? Number 1, placing garlic under your pillow. In traditional food, sleep is believed to be the time when we are most vulnerable to invisible energies around us. As we fall asleep, consciousness expands, our body relaxes, and our natural defenses weaken. This is when negative or dark energies can sneak into our personal energy field, causing fatigue, restlessness, insomnia, or even recurring nightmares. According to folk beliefs, garlic is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for warding off negative energy. That is because garlic has strong yang properties. It is spicy, hot, and has a strong odor. On the other hand, dark or evil energy is associated with yin. So when yin energy encounters strong yang energy like garlic, weakens, disperses, or is pushed away entirely. Since ancient times, people have placed a small garlic bulb under their pillow whenever they felt restless or suspected they were being disturbed by spiritual entities. This is not blind superstition, but rather a practical, fun method used to neutralize negative energy and stabilize personal energy fields during sleep. It has been passed down for generations as a simple but effective trick, and it is not just spiritual. Modern science also provides some explanation. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is released when the bulb is cut or crushed. Allicin has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and it also has a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to regulate emotions and reduce mild anxiety. Additionally, the smell of garlic repels insects like mosquitoes or bedbugs, common physical disruptors of sleep. That is why this small act of placing garlic under your pillow serves both spiritual and practical purposes. It protects your energy while supporting the biological quality of your rest. It is easy to do. Choose a local garlic bulb, small, dry, and undamaged. You can place it directly under your pillow, or if you prefer cleanliness, wrap it in a small white or light yellow cloth bag and tuck it under your pillow or beneath the bed sheet near your head. Repeat this for 3 nights in a row. After the 3rd night, discard the garlic. Do not reuse it and do not keep it for too long. If you wish, you can bury under a tree outdoors to return the energy it has absorbed back to nature. Number 2, carrying garlic when visiting places with heavy energy. In classical Funyu, every place carries a certain kind of energy. Some areas are full of life and vitality, while others are heavy with yin energy, especially those associated with death, illness, or tragedy. Places like cemeteries, the danger of trusting objects over God, hospitals, funerals, abandoned buildings, areas where misfortunes have occurred often carry dense, cold energy that can affect the living, especially those with weak spiritual presence or unstable energy fields. According to folk belief, when we enter such environments, if our energy is not strong enough, we may feel spiritually drained, affected by dark energies, or experience unexplained fatigue. Common symptoms include headaches, drowsiness, chills, lack of energy, or even feeling mentally disoriented. That is why from long ago, our ancestors passed down a simple yet effective tip: carry garlic with you when entering such places. In Fu, garlic is seen as a vessel of strong yang energy that can repel dark energy and protect your personal energy field like a silent amulet standing between you and unwanted invisible forces. Because of its spicy, hot nature and strong scent, garlic is believed to make it impossible for dark energy to cling to or enter your field. By carrying garlic, it is as if you are surrounding your body with a protective energy circle that keeps your personal vibration stable and helps you stay calm and grounded in unstable, energetic environments. Here's how to do it. Prepare 3 to 5 small garlic cloves with the skin intact and free from damage. Wrap them in a piece of red cloth because in Fu, red symbolizes strong yang energy and is associated with life force and protection. Once wrapped, place the garlic pouch in your pocket purse or personal bag. One important rule: do not mix the garlic pouch with money identification papers or wealth-attracting charms, as the conflicting energies may cancel each other out. If you want to boost its power, you can add some dried ginger, coriander seeds, or a small handwritten charm in red ink. These ingredients also carry yang energy and help enhance the protective field around you. Once you leave the place with heavy energy, wash your hands with clean water, and if needed, splash your face too. Then discard the garlic pouch or bury it at the base of a tree to release the energy it absorbed. Do not keep the used pouch at home for too long, as it may retain residual negative energy. Number 3, placing garlic on the altar of the god of wealth. In Eastern spiritual tradition, the altar of the god of wealth is believed to be directly connected to the flow of financial energy in a home or business. That is why keeping this altar clean, well lit, and energetically stable is essential, especially for entrepreneurs or shop owners. One traditional method that many people use to protect the altar's energy is to place 5 dry garlic bulbs in specific spots. It may sound simple, but this is actually a phone practice with symbolic and logical significance. Symbolically, the number 5 represents the 5 natural elements: metal, wood, water, fire, and earth. In ancient energy systems, when these 5 elements are balanced, the energy flow in the living through biblical keys to prosperity, space, also becomes harmonious. This harmony in turn attracts opportunities, maintains financial stability, and offers protection from external risks. Garlic, with its strong scent and natural purifying power, serves as a barrier to prevent negative energy from invading sacred spaces. This is especially important in homes or businesses located near busy streets, crowded areas, places with heavy foot traffic where protecting the altar's energy is more important than ever. The method is straightforward. Choose 5 clean, dry garlic bulbs that are not damaged or moldy. Place them on either side of the incense holder or in front of the altar, depending on the available space. Some people leave them as they are, while others prefer to tie them together with a small red string for a neater, more aesthetic appearance. The garlic used here should be all natural, untreated with chemicals, and free of rot or mold. As time passes and the garlic dries out, it means it has absorbed surrounding energy. At that point, it should be replaced to maintain the altar's protective effect. The best time to replace the garlic is on the first day of the lunar month or on special days like the God of Wealth Day. Number 4, placing garlic in the kitchen. The kitchen is not just a place for cooking. In Fune, it is considered the energetic heart of the home, the center that sustains life, abundance, and the family's wealth. A warm, tidy, and energetically balanced kitchen brings stability to the household, ensures a steady financial flow, and supports long-term health. But precisely because it is a source of vital energy, the kitchen is also prone to energetic imbalances. It can easily be affected by leaks in energy, flow clutter, poor placement of household items, or even the negative energy carried in by people moving through the space. Certain areas such as the sink or the shelves where rice, salt, and spices are stored can become energy drains if not carefully managed. That is why placing garlic in the kitchen is a simple yet powerful way to maintain its energetic harmony and prevent unseen financial loss. Garlic, with its spicy, pungent, dry, and warm nature, is considered to carry strong yang energy. When placed in the kitchen, it helps absorb moisture and stagnant yin energy while also acting as a natural balancer between fire, the stove, and water, the sink. 2 elements that can clash and fun you if not properly managed. You can hang a small bunch of dried garlic in a corner of the kitchen, not too close to open flames, but somewhere with a clear view of the entire cooking area. If you do not want to hang it, simply place a few garlic bulbs in a small basket near the rice container, the salt jar, or beside the ginger. These ingredients all symbolize nourishment, warmth, and abundance in the home. Use dried garlic that is clean, intact, and not moldy or shriveled. You can use local garlic or specialty types like lice and garlic as long as it is natural and chemical-free. Replace the garlic every 3 months or sooner if it starts to discolor, shrink, or lose its signature scent. Number 5, placing garlic in a safe or money cabinet. In a modern household, the safe or money cabinet is not just for storing physical valuables like cash, gold, or important documents. In terms of Funu and energy flow, it is considered the financial heart of the home, a center where wealth energy gathers and is stored. When the energy in this space is how God releases financial breakthrough, stable and strong, prosperity grows, business flows smoothly, and wealth can accumulate over time. But if this area becomes energetically imbalanced or affected by dark energy, money can disappear as fast as it comes, leading to that frustrating feeling of always working hard but never having enough. Ancient wisdom offers a surprisingly simple yet effective method to protect the energy field inside your safe place: a dried garlic bulb inside. It might sound odd in today's world, but once you understand garlic's energetic properties, it makes perfect sense. In Fa, garlic is packed with strong yang energy. It is spicy, warm, powerfully aromatic, and has the ability to absorb negative energy exceptionally well. Dark enclosed spaces like safes, money cabinets, or filing drawers often accumulate stagnant energy, especially if they are placed in unlucky corners or near low energy areas such as bathrooms or storage rooms. Garlic works like a natural air purifier, clearing out bad energy and helping to seal in your financial luck. You do not need to spend money on fancy food items or luxury charms. Just one clean, dry garlic bulb with its skin intact can serve as your invisible financial guardian. To boost its effect, wrap the garlic in a clean piece of red cloth or paper, since red symbolizes luck, vitality, and protection in Fu. Then, gently place it in a corner of your safe somewhere. It will not interfere with your money, documents, or valuables. Important reminder, do not use garlic that is crushed. Do not store it near items with heavy yin energy, such as ashes, old papers, or things of unknown origin. Over time, If the garlic changes color, becomes soft, or loses its strong smell, that is a sign it has absorbed enough dark energy and needs to be replaced. Ideally, you should replace it every 3 months or on special days like the first day of the lunar month, the full moon, or the God of Wealth Day. This helps refresh the energy and attract stronger wealth vibrations. Number 6, hanging 81 garlic cloves at the front door. In phone and folk beliefs, the main door is more than just an entryway. It is a powerful gateway where energy flows between the outside world and your home. Protecting the front door from negative energy, bad vibrations, or unseen influences is considered extremely important. One highly trusted method passed down through generations is to hang a strand of 81 garlic cloves at the entrance. This acts as an invisible energy wall that blocks out harmful forces before they ever step foot inside. The number 81 is not random. In ancient belief, 81 is the result of 9 times in symbolizing the peak of yang energy, completeness, and good fortune. It is believed that this number represents 81 guardian spirits who watch over 81 directional points around your home, forming a comprehensive protective field that shields your family from negative environmental forces. When 81 garlic cloves are strung together and tied with red string, the breaking false beliefs and fear, strong yang energy of garlic combines with the color red, a symbol of luck, protection, and vitality to create a high vibration energy field right at the threshold. It is a sacred crossing point between the visible and invisible, between people and energy, between outside and inside. Hanging this garlic strand at your door is not just symbolic, it has practical value too. Garlic's hot, dry, and pungent nature makes it a natural enemy of dark energy. It helps repel wandering spirits, block negative energy, and is especially effective against so-called black magic at the doorstep. A popular folk belief used to explain why some households suddenly feel chaotic, unlucky, or filled with conflict and unexplained illness. You should hang the garlic strand on special days of the lunar month, such as the first day or the full moon, when natural energy is more harmonious and better aligned with the vibration of people and living spaces. After about 3 months, or if the garlic starts to dry out, discolor, or lose its scent, it is time to replace it. Old garlic can be burned outdoors or buried under a tree as a way of returning the absorbed energy back to nature on your behalf. A garlic bulb may seem lifeless and ordinary, quietly sitting in the kitchen, but if you know how to place it in the right spot at the right time, it can become a powerful phone tool, one that not only dispels negative energy, but also protects your wealth, attracts good fortune, and keeps your family safe and peaceful. These ancient folk rituals, though simple on the surface, are actually based on deep observations of energy, balance between the sky's forces, the human spirit, and the flow of money in our living spaces. Final prayer and blessing in modern life. Sometimes the most profound effects come from the smallest actions. A few garlic cloves hanging at the door, a bulb tucked beneath your pillow, or a silent clove resting inside your safe. None of these are superstition. They are simply ways to keep the energy around us awake and positive. When your living space is properly protected, your mind becomes calmer, your thoughts become clearer. Closing message, and as a result, wealth flows more easily and stays with you longer. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a practical fingertip or a timeless spiritual ritual passed down from our ancestors. And before you go, leave a positive affirmation in the comments below. Something like, I welcome abundance into my life every day. Or, I live in a space filled with good, vibrant energy. Who knows, maybe starting today, a quiet but powerful shift in your destiny is already unfolding.